Whether you're just starting your guitar journey or looking for a versatile workhorse to level up your sound, meet your new favorite axe, the Clifton Pioneer Stratocaster electric guitar package. With 5 pickup positions and 2 tone controls, you're not just getting one guitar, you're getting a full palette of sonic possibilities. From smooth funk riffs to screaming metal solos, this Strat does it all. Crafted with a poplar body, maple neck and rosewood fretboard, the Clifton Strat feels solid in your hands, with that classic tone players crave. And those Clifton single coil pickups? Clean, crisp, powerful. This isn't just a guitar, it's a complete starter-to-pro package 15-watt amp with overdrive, padded Clifton gig bag, cable, strap, tremolo bar and Allen key. You're not just ready to play, you're ready to perform. Want to go even further? Level up with the Maestro upgraded version, featuring a roasted maple neck for rock-solid tuning, bone nut and Alnico pickups for rich vintage tone, smooth 2-point tremolo and stainless frets for effortless bends, and up to 9 tone options with the push-pull knob. Whether you're jamming at home, recording, or owning the stage, the Clifton Stratocaster delivers the tone, the feel, and the complete experience. Click the URL link below in the description to grab yours now, and start playing like a pro.